Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you consider subscribing and then letting me know in the comments below that you're a brand new subscriber. I love to personally thank every single one of you because it means so much to me. And also, if you are new here, I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans. I am a happy planner fanatic, and I have been for the past 5 years. I'm absolutely obsessed. So I love to show you guys how I use my planner in my everyday life here on YouTube. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my mini vertical happy planner, and it's super small and I love it. So I am going to be using Fresh Start. I actually have had this book for definitely over a month now, but I still haven't used it. So I am looking forward to using it today. I've been using this planner for a few different things, but this bottom section is where I've been writing out what I eat, and then my sleep schedule, or just like tracking when I wake up and when I go to sleep. I'm seeing a few different doctors about some things, so I needed a place to write those things down. Okay, and then I am using the Healthy Hero to put breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I'll pop on some music because it's pretty time consuming. Now, the rest of the page is just kind of business as usual. I was thinking of doing this. But I'm just not sure. I kind of really want to try, but then there's really definitely not going to be any room for anything else. So I don't think I can. So last week I used, for the first time, classic size stickers. And now this week is big size, which is definitely a big change, but you know, I'll never know if I can do it if I don't try. So that's where we're at. Okay, I want to put I like this bold and brave down here. The only problem let's see. Yeah, I think that's okay. So bold and brave, very cute. Then I can do, I love these apples that have like a list on them. I was thinking I could do, let me see, my little list over here. I could do kind of like a Tuesday. Okay. And then also, let's do, yeah, let's do Sunday too. Because Sundays I do lots of filming, so that might be a good filming list. Even though it's only 3, and I definitely film more than that. But either way, it's good. Okay. Let's see if there's any like strips of washi. Oh, there were these cute pencils. I know it says today, but I really want to put it like all the way across. So let's do today's priorities. That's cute. Very cute. I wonder if I cut all of those letters and made them closer together. I think that would be fun to do in the sidebar. So let me move some things around. Because I really don't, I really haven't been using the sidebars much. Okay, I'm gonna do the You Got This. It's pink and I don't have as much pink on the page right now. So I like it. I honestly don't think I've ever put a quote sideways in any of my planners sidebars, so I'm pretty excited about that. Okay, I definitely want to use one of these cute quotes. So I'll move this to do. Maybe put it on Monday. Oh. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am loving this. It's so fun. And they have some bullet points. Wonder if there's any room for this. Ooh, and there's lots of boxes. Look, there's so much more than I thought there was. Let's see, I'm gonna put a very important, kind of overlapping for like the weekend. Okay. And I'm probably finishing up. Ooh, I definitely want to use this to tie in some of the cute colors. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. This is a really underrated book. Like, it's super cute. Oh, and here's strips I missed out on those. I think I'm gonna call it. I do want to put the weekend though. Here it is. Well, I don't want it to go off the page. Kind of defeats the purpose. Okay, let's see. There we go. I cannot believe that September is right around the corner. This is crazy, crazy. All right, you guys, I think this is my favorite spread that I've done in my mini so far. This is adorable. I love it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Okay, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But until then, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.